For those who require what is we are doing here, like physiotherapy services, rehab, we will be able to give them the chance immediately so they can start the processes and the activities on the spot, other than referring to elsewhere. But those ones which are severe in terms of medics, then we will be guided by the team of the doctors who we have in our ministry today.
These mass registrations are currently happening as we speak in the different regions. And you realize that as much as we're having this mass assessment, we still have a number of parents out there that are hiding their children in their homes due to stigma. And this is what we are calling out. Please do not hide your children. Bring them out, let them be registered so that they can benefit from the different programs offered by NCPWD and KISE.